Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk about William Rowan Hamilton. He was one of the greatest scientists to be born in Ireland. He was a linguistic, a mathematics, astronomer and physicist who discovered different contributions to the development of geometry, algebra, optics and dynamics. He was born in Dublin, Ireland on August 4, 1805, and he died in Dublin, Ireland on September 2, 1865. His father's name was Archibald Hamilton, and his mother was Sarah Hutton. He was the fourth child of the 9 children born into the family. When he was 2 years old, he was put under the care of his uncle James Hamilton, who was a priest and linguist. By the age of 3, he had picked up the English language quite well, and by 5, he had learned Hebrew and Greek. Under his uncle's expert linguistics, he also learned different languages: German, Spanish, French, and others. At the age of 10, he came across some mathematical papers written in Latin by the Greek mathematics. He joined the School of Mathematics at the Trinity College in Dublin in 1823 at the age of 18. In 1824, Rowan submitted a paper on causes to the Royal Irish Academy. In his personal life, in 1833, he married with Helen Maria, with whom he had 3 children. So the year 2005 was celebrated as Hamilton Year in Ireland. The year was dedicated to scientific study and research. So, in my opinion, the factors that help make this person a prodigy is an interaction of nature and nurture, because nature, his genes and hereditary factors. In this case, his uncle was smart, and nurture because his childhood was interesting. His social relationships were the best intellectual reference. Learning quickly, and he had eminence. So, thank you so much.